Okay, here is our social studies lesson for today. It's our kickoff activity for our new unit where we can buy food. Um, so this unit will be looking at different places in our neighborhood to buy food and making appropriate choices when buying food. So here's our learning objectives. So by the end of the week, you should be able to analyze or look at photos of food stores, determine what type of food is sold there. Okay, you're going to record that in your social studies packet or on Dojo. I will model that how it's going to work for you today. Then the second activity is to write an opinion argument that describes the best places to purchase healthy food when you look at the photos that were sent home or that will be posted on Dojo or this PowerPoint. And then on Friday, you're going to draw a map of your neighborhood that shows different places where you can buy food. Okay, so let's look at our first activity. All right, so it says right here, activity 1, I'm going to lead it. Okay, you can see here that there is a store. And I know it's a little hard to see, but hopefully you can look at your packets at home, or you can make this a little bigger to zoom in and see it. But to me, I'm noticing that there's chips, drinks. That blue cooler looks like they keep ice cream in there. I don't really see any checkout lanes, so it doesn't really look like a grocery store like Tops or Price Chopper or Aldi's or Wegmans. So I'm thinking this might be a gas station. Then I'm looking at the types of food, and I don't really see any fresh fruits or vegetables. So I'm thinking that there's mostly unhealthy food here. So now I have that information. I just analyzed the photo, and I'm going to record it in our graphic organizer. Just give me a second. I'm going to insert a text box so I can actually type. All right, I have my text box in here. So in the top one, it says, what type of place to shop or eat is shown in the picture? How do you know? I'm just going to write a gas station or corner store. Okay, and I know that because I know this because I can make my little box a little bigger. Sorry, guys. I don't see a lot of healthy choices or cash registers. And we see those at places like, again, like Aldi's, Wegmans, Walmart, wherever we price right, Tops, Price Chopper, wherever we buy a lot of our groceries, we know that the store just looks a little different. So over here it says what healthy and or unhealthy foods are sold in this place. We just talked about that. You do not need to fill this out. Down here in your packet, you're going to circle if it's healthy or unhealthy. So on my PowerPoint, I can't really circle it, so I have to do something a little different to mark it. But I know that I see mostly unhealthy foods. Okay, so I'm gonna, again, give me one more second, put another text box in, and it says I see mostly healthy and unhealthy foods like chips, ice cream, chips and ice cream. That's what I see the most of. Okay, and then it says, my last box, is this a good place to buy most of your food? I don't think it is because I'm not seeing healthy options like fruits, vegetables, protein in your meats or eggs. Okay, so I don't think or you should be getting most of your food that you eat this week or in any week at this location. All right, let me see if I can do some stuff. This one, I can't. So I'm going to just highlight, what I my choices. So up here, unhealthy. Oh, it won't let me. All right, so I'm sorry about that, guys, but you could tell that if I, on our paper at home, I would just circle unhealthy here, or on Seesaw I would do that. And then over here, I would check no. Okay? All right, here is activity 1. That was our model. Your turn, okay, is you have a similar page like this on Seesaw or in your at-home learning packet, or even post it to Dojo, where you could just fill it out on a sheet of paper. Okay, you guys are going to complete these 2. Looks like we have a fresh market up here. And down in this photo, it looks like we have a McDonald's. I can see with the golden arch is the M. All right, so fill this out, complete it either on Dojo at your at-home packet, and then send a picture into your classroom teacher, or you can complete it on Seesaw.